and today we are going to learn about Bismillah Khan and Shehnai. In previous lecture we have seen that how the name Shehnai has been given to this musical instrument. Now we are going to have the history of Ustad Bismillah Khan and the life story of Bismillah Khan with Shehnai. So let us start with that how Shehnai had been played at different places. So traditionally Shehnai was played in the temples and on every auspicious occasion. In previous lecture we have been compared Shehnai and Pungi. So the differences we have seen. Right now this Shehnai was having very melodious sound. So it was being played in temples and in every auspicious occasion, whether it is a wedding or at any other good occasion. But to come on classical stage with Shehnai, that credit goes to Ustad Bismillah Khan. तो क्लासिकल स्टेज, क्लासिकल म्यूजिक के स्टेज के ऊपर शहनाई को लाने का जो क्रेडिट है वो किसको जाता है? उस्ताद बिस्मिल्लाह खान. Ustad Bismillah Khan belongs to Banaras Gharana. This is very important for you, and this you have to remember that Banaras Gharana. Most important in your examination, what you will have this information that he was born in 1916. So important at Dumrav in Bihar. So your objective can be in such that where Dumrav is situated, where it is located. So you have to write in Bihar. In which year Ustad Bismillah Khan born? So year is 1916. He was born in 1916 at Dumrav in Bihar. As a 5-year-old, he used to visit the Bihariji temple and sing the Bhojpuri Chaitya there. In your textbook also, you have to underline this. Here also we are underlining that he was only at 5 years age. Where he used to go? Right into the Bihariji's temple, and what he used to sing? That Bhojpuri Chaitya. जैसे हमारे कैसे गुजराती में भजन होते हैं, प्रभातिया होते हैं, right? ऐसे different kinds of songs. So in Bhojpuri they are having Chaitya, which is being played or being sung in temples, right? In like these areas. So he used to go to Bihariji temple and sing Bhojpuri Chaitya there. Now one person was there, right? हमें पता है कि his paternal ancestors were professional musicians, but maternal uncle has helped him a lot. So under guidance and training of his maternal uncle Ali Baksh, this you have to remember very carefully because this is also important, right? Questions are there in your textbook with blanks, fill in the blanks. So Ali Baksh was a person who had given guidance to Bismillah Khan and training also. He started picking up the finer notions of Shehnai. So previously, before this Ustad Bismillah Khan has started to play Shehnai, previously few ragas were finding impossible to have in Shehnai. But Ustad Bismillah Khan has just broke all the records, and what he did that he found a new things of Shehnai. Bismillah Khan got his big break with opening of All India Radio in Lucknow in 1938. So this whole paragraph is so important because many things are so important in this chip. Bismillah Khan got his big break with opening of All India Radio. This is so important. And Lucknow. We know the story that he has performed at so many places, but he got, right? Everyone need one big break, right, to have successful. Everyone is having their turning point of life, right? हमने कितने सारे लोगों की life stories पढ़ी होंगी, and we know the most important thing. What important thing? That on a particular age they are having that turning point of their life. So this is so important for us to have turning point, right, in life. Bismillah Khan got his big break with opening of All India Radio in Lucknow, and here you have to remember year is 19 Bismillah Khan got big break in his career. He also played Shehnai on 15 August 1947. Which was the day? 15 August 1947. What was there? Yes, your answer is very true, very right. Right, it was the first Independence Day, on which day we have got independence, that 15th August 1947. In presence of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, he got a chance to play Shehnai. Right, he was the first person to greet the nation after independence with Shehnai. He also played Shehnai on 15th August 1947 from Red Fort, and till time we are having continuation of that tradition. Bismillah Khan gave many memorable performances both in India and abroad. So it was not only that he is giving performances in India only. He was true Indian, but with that he has given so many performances in abroad too. So this is so important for us to remember. Now, he was so fond of his motherland, India, Banaras and Holy Ganga, that he refused an offer to be the head of Shehnai school in USA. Very rare people can do this, right? This you have to understand. Very rare people can do this. Otherwise, generally we have seen at so many places these kind of things are happening, that they are studying well, they are just performing well, they are doing well. Everything they have completed in India, they have got success in India, and what after that they are doing? They are going in abroad. They are going other countries and they are just वहाँ पे शिफ्ट हो जाते हैं, वहाँ पे फाइनली रहने लगते हैं और यूजफुल किसको होते हैं? अदर कंट्री को. बट Bismillah Khan was true Indian and one of a student, right? वो student भी यहाँ पे आके ही पढ़ा था. तो student ने Bismillah Khan को offer किया that you come in USA, we will open a music school here in USA and you will be the all in one. It means you will be, हम कहते हैं ना कि सर्वे सर्वा है इस place के. It means he is the only authorized person. So that student has given offer that the school will be of yours, you have to run, you have to take profit and everything will be of yours. But Bismillah Khan has told that can you take my Banaras to that USA, to that place? So student ने वो भी मान लिया that yes, I can copy the temples of Banaras and everything here. आप बोलो तो पूरी की पूरी बनारस के टेम्पल से जैसी उसका स्ट्रक्चर है वैसा ही एग्जैक्ट कॉपी कर लूं. फिर दूसरा क्वेश्चन बिस्मिल्लाह खान ने पूछा that can you take Holy River Ganga to that place to USA? So after that the student understood that I cannot take Bismillah Khan in USA because he was so attached with these places, Holy Ganga River, right, Banaras and Dumra, and especially utmost India, the country, right? He was so fond of his motherland that he refused an offer to be the head of Shehnai school in USA. And last but not the least, that is in 2001. This year is so important for you. Make sure you are remembering that he was awarded with the Bharat Ratna, the highest civilian award, India's highest civilian award, that is the Bharat Ratna. And in which year he got this? In 2001. After that he has just been awarded with so and so and so many other awards, but this is the most important which you have to remember, that is that he was awarded with Bharat Ratna. And after that the details of his death also has been given कि वो कौन से year में उनकी death हुई. But one thing has been very clear that he was Muslim, right? But then too, वो जब तक जिंदा रहे, the हिंदू का सबसे टॉप का मंदिर टेम्पल कौन सा है? काशी विश्वनाथ. So in every early morning he was playing Shehnai in temple Kashi Vishwanath. So this is the best example of the great culture, great heritage of India, that we are not having any casteism, we are believing in unity, right? Unity is our main thing of India. So what he was the best example for the same. काशी विश्वनाथ टेम्पल में अर्ली मॉर्निंग एवरी मॉर्निंग ही वॉज प्लेइंग शहनाई, राइट? इससे बड़ा एग्जाम्पल उनकी कल्चरल हेरिटेज का, राइट, उनके मदरलैंड के तरफ जो लव है उसका, राइट, कोई और एग्जाम्पल नहीं हो सकता. सो दिस वॉज द हिस्ट्री ऑफ शहनाई. This was the history of life story of Ustad Bismillah Khan, that why he was so famous, and that's why only we are calling him Ustad Bismillah Khan, the master of Shehnai, right? So the whole story we have seen, and we have seen that too, that which kind of things are so important, right, of the chapter. Again telling you few years you have to remember. For example, the year has been given, the born year 1916, in which year he has got the big break in All India Radio, opening in All India Radio, and the Bharat Ratna. And this is also very auspicious and a very important occasion for him, right? That he was the first person to greet the nation with Shehnai, right? After we have got independence, and in 2001 he has been awarded with द भारत रत्न. द भारत रत्न ये मिलना बहुत बड़ी बात होती है, राइट? सो बाय दिस वी आर जस्ट एंडिंग दिस चैप्टर, द साउंड ऑफ म्यूजिक, इन दैट द शहनाई of Bismillah Khan. So in this chapter we have seen the story of Evelyn Glennie and the second Ustad Bismillah Khan, and these both stories are real story, right? वो folk lays या folk tales नहीं है. These are a real story which gives us always inspiration and motivation to do something, to do the new things, to do a different things in our life. So I hope that all of we are having the different kind of goals to be successful, to be good in our life, right? So with this, here we are ending the explanation part of chapter number 2. Thank you, goodbye, take care.
आभार.